Hello.
Hello.
So we spent the night next to this lake, which was very nice. We are in New Plymouth.
Yes.
And then this morning we had a nice dip. Nice way to wake ourselves up. Yeah. Go ahead.
It was very rainy yesterday, so we saw a little bit of New Plymouth, but only brief glimpses.
Yeah.
It's supposed to chuck it down again later with severe weather warnings, so instead of staying on the mountain like we would like to, we're probably going to stay here and then go and explore some more of New Plymouth today.
Yeah, so the sensible thing we decided today was to stay where we're parked, because we can still park here, that's fine. Walk into town, and then if we get wet it's not the end of the world, but we'll try and avoid it and then just go from there. Yeah, and
then we'll try and see if we can see the mountain today or just see the mountain tomorrow on the way to the Forgotten Highway.
Yeah, and ignore the mess. We've just been sorting stuff. But yeah, so we will probably show you some of New Plymouth. We showed you a coffee shop from yesterday.
Yeah, coffee shop and some bits of the town and the
walkway. But yeah, so we'll go from there. Right. And that was the lake we swam in today. It was cold, but not too bad. The sun really helped. Yeah, gorgeous little place. Hello. So we are walking into town. It's got about 4.5k on this coastal highway, which got the ocean that side of us, and it's kind of a natural space there. But it's very blustery. Hence the hat attached to the bag. So even if it flies off my head, it ain't going anywhere. And what you can't see behind that cloud is a big mountain. It's ridiculous.
I still haven't seen it yet.
No. I mean, you can climb it, but yeah, it's just not there. Yeah. Pretty beautiful.
Where's the mountain gone?
Windy, but it's still nice. Much better view than last night. So that's where we're walking. Wow, more over there. That's like the smaller bit of the mountain, and you can just about see where it kind of starts going up there. So the mountain's there. This is where we tend to find ourselves, in a cafe. Yeah. And this one's called? Chaos Cafe. It's nice. Tacos. Hey, where are we?
Shining Brewery.
Yeah.
It's tasty paddles.
Yeah.
Initially because the place I was going to take us is close, but it's also very nice.
Yeah, it's really cool. But yeah, like you can just see behind. It's like, yeah. Yeah.
Getting different things as well.
Yeah.
You can choose anything. So like full menu.
Yeah.
Yeah, all different ones. What have you got? Do you know?
That's the blueberry. That's the dark lager. That is Iowa, which is American. That's the reason.
You do? No, I don't remember.
That's your dark lager. That would be Pilsner.
I think I had an ale and then I had something else.
Yeah.
Oh, what did I? I had a lager, Pilsner. Oh no, Pilsner, pale ale, amber, and a dark lager.
Something about a beer tasting that always fills me with joy.
When you can't go to the mountain, drink beer.
Because we don't have to drive anywhere. Whoop, whoop. If you're ever here, come here. It's really good. Really good.
Yeah, it looks very nice. Good morning.
Hello.
So we are just leaving New Plymouth now. It ended up being quite rainy last night and this morning, but not as bad as predicted.
No, we were expecting storms. We did see a little bit of thunder,
Yeah.
but nothing too much. See a little bit of thunder. See a little bit of lightning.
What?
Should we just start again?
Morning.
Hello.
We are just leaving New Plymouth now. We had another night in this Lake Romantu campsite. It was quite rainy last night and this morning, but not as bad as we expected.
No, they said thunder and lightning. We saw a little bit of lightning, heard a little bit of thunder, but it really didn't amount to much for us.
No, so we're just gonna go and try and see Mount Taranaki, which, oh, I can see the bottom of it over there,
But yeah,
we haven't actually seen any of it yet.
No.
So we're gonna try and go to Egmont National Park Visitor Centre, just so we can see if we can see it before we then head on to Stratford, and then we're going to try to drive part of the Forgotten Highway today, and then we're going to stay on the Forgotten Highway as well.
More gravel.
Yes. But yeah, should be an interesting day. Come on. Can see the bottom of it.
Not anymore. It's a windy day.
Kinda see it. field. It's getting really cold. And you can just about see there's snow on the top there. So I don't think we're going to see the top of it, but we can. There is still quite a bit of snow up there. Got to the viewing platform. There is still quite a bit of snow up there, and it is a lot cooler here. But there is a massive cloud there, so don't think we'll be walking anywhere. We are there. Yeah, so there's a walk that we were going to do here, but that's not happening today. I don't think any walking's happening today. And then we were going to stay up here last night, so higher than we are here, but obviously not worth it at the minute. See all the different walks. Hi. So we ended up seeing a little bit of the mountain, saw some snow on top, went through rain and hail and everything to get there.
Apparently it snowed only like over the weekend, so it wasn't long settled snow.
So as you can see from that sign, if you saw, we are just getting onto the Forgotten Highway, which is well, it was State 43 in New Zealand, but it's been forgotten and there's parts of it that are not sealed and stuff anymore, so it's a bit of a tourist attraction now. So we're going to drive half of it today, stay in, I think it's Raglan, which is like a halfway point. There's a camping ground and the town, well, the Republic there, because it's actually classed as its own country. There are even days of the week that you can get your passport stamped, but I don't think that's open today. But yeah, so we're going to drive on the Forgotten Highway for a while. We stopped in Stratford for a nice coffee and to fill up and stuff, because there's nothing on this highway once it starts.
We also bought an important thing that we haven't had for a while.
Oh yeah.
Whiskey.
Dave bought some whiskey. Yeah, so see what the Forgotten Highway is like.
Not a bad view at all. We just parked up on the Forgotten Highway just to have a look at the views. So yeah, not bad. We made it to Pohokura Saddle, which is very nice. Let's go have a look. Whoa. It's a wee bit windy. a bad view. We both film each other. I can zoom. And we also have from this side. Very nice.
Been a lovely drive. It's so loud. Welcome to the Republic of Whangamamua. For a safe and memorable passage, please purchase a passport from the hotel or border control when manned.
Have a look.
More campsite for the night. Hi, Johnny. Got some chickens. Hello. Cute. Hi.
Hello.
So we've just made it to Whangamamua campsite.
Yes.
Parked up. Got some nice little chickens and stuff. It's a gorgeous valley.
Yeah. Although it's made it very, very blustery through.
Yeah. We're going to walk into the town and just see what's there.
See what's open.
Oh, the tiny horses. Yeah. Yeah, there's supposed to be lots of information. There's a town on this highway that was built for rail construction. It's the front of the town. And it declared itself a republic in 1895. Or did I get that wrong?
I think it says like 1989 or 1985.
It declared itself a
I think it's mid 80s.
republic in 1985, something like that. They elected their own president and everything. Yeah, let's go have a look.
Feels like we're home. A little bit dark. It's kind of cheesy.
Cheers.
Cheers. Looks nice.